Convert 76 centimeter of mercury pressure into Newton per meter square using the method of dimensions. Formula for pressure: P equals H rho G. H is the height of the liquid column, rho is the density of the liquid, G is the acceleration due to gravity. The dimensional formula for pressure is m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. In CGS system, P1 equals 76 centimeter of mercury. Using this in the formula, we get the value of pressure in dyne per centimeter square, which is 76 multiply 13.6 multiply 980. The dimensional formula for pressure in CGS system equals M1 L1 power minus 1 T1 power minus 2. Here M1 is the gram, L1 is the centimeter, and T1 is second. In SI system, the value of pressure we have to find in Newton per meter square. The dimensional formula for pressure is M2 L2 power minus 1 T2 power minus 2. Here M2 is kilogram, L2 is meter, and T2 is second. Formula to be used: N1 U1 equals N2 U2. N1 is the value of the given physical quantity in the first system, that is 76 multiply 13.6 multiply 980. Then U1 is the dimensional formula of the physical quantity in the first system, that is M1 L1 power minus 1 T1 power minus 2. N2 is the value of the same physical quantity in the second system, that is P2 we have to find, and U2 is the dimensional formula of the same physical quantity in the second system, which is M2 L2 power minus 1 T2 power minus 2. Substituting, we get P2 equals P1 on the numerator M1 L1 power minus 1 T1 power minus 2 divided by M2 L2 power minus 1 T2 power minus 2, and we bring all M1 term together, L1 L term together, and T terms together. So we get P2 equals P1 multiply M1 divided by M2 and L1 divided by L2 to the power minus 1, T1 divided by T2 to the power minus 2. Let us substitute the values of M1 and M2, L1, L2 and T1, T2. So the M1 is gram, M2 is kilogram, L1 is centimeter, L2 is meter, T1 and T2 each equal second. These second and seconds cancel and we get 1 power minus 2 is 1 only. Now we bring gram as 10 power minus 3 kilogram and takes centimeter as 10 power minus 2 meter. So cancelling the same units in the numerator and denominator, we get the final answer as the pressure in SI system equals 1.01 multiply 10 power minus 5 Newton per meter square.